Welcome to Royal Enfield Classic 500. Do it yourself for front wheel removal and installation. Ensure the vehicle is on its center stand on level ground. Loosen the pinch bolt on the fork end RH side. Hold the wheel axle from RH side using 17 mm spanner and loosen the hex nut on the LH side. Remove the nut and washer. Gently tap the spindle from LH side and remove from RH side. Hold the wheel in position while taking out the spindle to prevent damage to the speedo hub drive. Take care not to lose the spacer on LH side of the wheel hub. Gently lower the wheel such that the brake disc is free of the caliper. Remove the speedo hub drive from the wheel hub. Remove the bush from the speedo hub drive. Remove the wheel. Place a cardboard between the brake pads in the caliper to prevent jamming of the pads in the event of someone applying the brakes. Remove the spacer from LH side wheel hub. Install the spacer into the LH side wheel hub. Remove the cardboard placed between the brake pads in the caliper. Install the bush into the speedo hub drive. Locate the speedo hub drive on the RH side such that the lugs are properly seated in the hub and the outer lug will slide into the fork end RH. Position the front wheel brake disc between the brake pads. Hold the wheel assembly and insert the spindle through the fork end RH. Ensure the holes are aligned and does not force the spindle through, as it will damage the bearing and the threads in the spindle. If in case it is necessary to tap the spindle in, please use minimum force to tap the spindle in. Tighten the pinch bolt on fork end LH. Assemble the washer and hex nut on the spindle. Hold the wheel axle from RH side to prevent it from rotating while tightening, and tighten the hex nut on the LH side using the 24 mm spanner. Tighten the pinch bolt on fork end. Check and ensure the tire is rotating properly. Remove the support provided under the vehicle. That's it. You have done the front wheel removal and installation.